Are you ready to elevate your career to a senior data analyst role? Transitioning to this position can be both exciting and rewarding, but what does it take to step into this next level? In this video, we'll explore the similarities and some key differences between the data analyst and senior data analyst roles, the skills you need to develop, and how to position yourself for success in the fast-evolving world of data. Get ready to unlock your full potential and take your career to the next level. Let's start with some similarities between the two roles. In both data analyst and senior data analyst roles, the focus starts with data analysis and visualization. Analysts use SQL and tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Looker to analyze complex datasets and create interactive dashboards that present insights to all stakeholders. They identify trends, anomalies, and actionable takeaways to ensure insights are clear for both technical and non-technical audiences. Collaboration across teams is crucial. Analysts work with teams like engineering, product, finance, marketing, and operations to define key metrics and reporting requirements. Their goal is to align analytical deliverables with organizational goals, communicating complex findings effectively to diverse stakeholders. Technical proficiency includes strong SQL skills, familiarity with database management and ETL processes, and knowledge of Python or R for analysis. Analysts must ensure that data is reliable, accurate, and analyzed using proper statistical techniques. Problem-solving and decision support focuses on identifying trends and anomalies to provide actionable recommendations that guide business decisions, from product development to marketing strategies. In project and time management, analysts handle multiple projects, meet deadlines, and adapt to changing priorities in a fast-paced environment, all while maintaining strong organizational skills. Finally, data quality and integrity ensures data accuracy, consistency, and reliability. Analysts perform quality checks, address data issues, and maintain proper documentation and validation processes throughout the analysis lifecycle. Now let's explore the key differences between the roles of data analyst and senior data analyst. These two positions may sound similar, but they differ significantly in terms of responsibility, expertise, and impact. Let's break it down. A data analyst typically has a scope of influence focused on executing specific analyses and delivering insights that support tactical decision-making at an operational level. The role is primarily involved in the hands-on work of data extraction, cleaning, and reporting to ensure that teams have the necessary data for day-to-day operations. In contrast, a senior data analyst operates at a broader strategic level. They influence company-wide objectives, aligning data initiatives with organizational goals, and often play a key role in mentoring junior analysts, sharing expertise, and guiding their professional development. When it comes to leadership responsibilities, a data analyst is generally an individual contributor, concentrating on executing assigned tasks and providing timely, accurate analyses to support immediate business needs. On the other hand, a senior data analyst takes on leadership elements such as mentoring junior analysts, coaching teams, and overseeing projects that require coordination across multiple departments. Senior data analysts often lead teams and manage complex projects, ensuring that data initiatives align with the strategic direction of the business. In terms of advanced technical expertise, a data analyst is proficient in tools like SQL, statistical analysis, and data visualization platforms such as Tableau or Power BI. The role centers around the extraction, analysis, and reporting of data to support operational needs. A senior data analyst, however, requires advanced technical skills, such as expertise in complex statistical methods, predictive modeling, A/B testing, and proficiency in high-level tools like BigQuery, Looker, or advanced Python libraries. They handle more sophisticated analyses, automate reporting processes, and build models that help guide strategic business decisions. From a strategic impact perspective, a data analyst is often focused on short-term goals, delivering insights that support ongoing operations and maintaining reporting processes. Their work is crucial to day-to-day decision-making, but generally remains tactical in nature. A senior data analyst, on the other hand, plays a key role in driving long-term business strategies. Their contributions influence high-level initiatives such as revenue growth, customer retention, product development, and operational efficiency. Senior data analysts use data insights to guide strategic business decisions that shape the future of the organization. When considering ownership and autonomy, a data analyst typically works under supervision, following established processes and focusing on specific tasks. Decision-making power is limited, and the role is more focused on execution. In contrast, a senior data analyst has significantly more ownership and autonomy. They take charge of larger projects, make key decisions about data methodologies and approaches, and work independently on high-impact projects. Senior data analysts have the authority to drive initiatives and make decisions that shape both the direction of their work and the overall business strategy. Lastly, in terms of experience requirements, a data analyst typically has 3 to 4 years of experience, focused on operational data analysis and reporting tasks. They are expected to have hands-on experience with data tools and methods to support business operations. In contrast, a senior data analyst generally has 4 to 7 years of experience and is expected to have a proven track record in managing high-impact projects and contributing to strategic business outcomes. They bring a depth of experience that allows them to influence key business decisions and lead data-driven initiatives. Now that we've explored the similarities and differences between the data analyst and senior data analyst roles, let's take a look at a sample transition plan and timeline. Keep in mind, this is just a starting point and should be customized to fit your individual circumstances. Every career path is unique, so feel free to adjust the plan as needed to align with your goals and situation. This is intended to serve as a guide to help you navigate your career progression. The transition from data analyst to senior data analyst over 6 to 9 months begins with building strong foundational skills in months 1 to 2, focusing on advanced SQL and Tableau for data visualization. In this phase, you'll optimize queries and create dashboards for business KPIs, mastering SQL techniques and visualization best practices. In months 3 to 4, the focus shifts to statistical analysis and Python for data analysis. You'll design and execute A/B tests, analyze results for actionable insights, and deepen your proficiency in Python and statistical testing methods like hypothesis testing and p-values. Months 5 to 6 are dedicated to predictive analytics and machine learning, where you'll build models for customer churn or sales forecasting, using machine learning techniques and tools, and fine-tune your models. As you progress to months 6 to 7, you'll dive into big data tools like Spark and Hadoop, applying them to large-scale data analysis, while also implementing data governance and quality standards to ensure data integrity. During months 7 to 8, leadership and collaboration skills come into play, where you'll lead projects, create comprehensive data reports for senior stakeholders, and work cross-functionally with teams to define key metrics. This phase also focuses on strengthening leadership abilities, mentoring junior analysts, and developing communication skills to present complex results to non-technical stakeholders. The final phase, months 8 to 9, concentrates on mastering artificial intelligence, AI, and its business applications, such as recommendation systems and fraud detection models, and helping junior analysts develop their technical and analytical skills. During this period, you'll apply AI techniques, refine your decision-making skills, and take ownership of high-impact projects, ultimately driving strategic business decisions. This plan ensures that you not only develop advanced technical skills, but also leadership abilities to drive data-driven strategies and mentor others, preparing you for the senior data analyst role. As you progress through this journey, remember that every new skill you master, every project you lead, and every decision you influence brings you closer to your goal. Your hard work, growth, and determination will set you apart as a leader in the world of data, and the impact you have will resonate far beyond the numbers you analyze. This is your path to not just becoming a senior data analyst, but a true catalyst for change and innovation in your organization. Hope this was helpful. As we wrap up, remember that moving into a senior data analyst role is about more than just acquiring new skills. It's about having a clear plan and positioning yourself for success. Your future begins now, and with determination and a solid plan, you'll be ready to unlock your full potential. So, let's be ResignReady. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.